Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is found in the blood and in the body cells. It is needed in small amounts to make hormones and to help with digestion. Cholesterol is not an essential nutrient, as your body can make what you need. High cholesterol levels are a risk factor for heart disease. The types of cholesterol are the low-density lipoproteins, LDL, or what is called the bad cholesterol. These can form plaque on your artery walls and block the blood flow to your heart and brain. Aim to have low LDL levels. High-density lipoproteins, HDL, is another type of cholesterol, and it is what is called the good cholesterol. It helps to remove LDL cholesterol from your arteries, so we have to aim for high HDL levels. Triglycerides are a form of fat the body makes from sugar, alcohol, and other sources. Now the picture below shows what happens when plaque forms in your arteries. It keeps depositing until it is very narrow and can lead to blockage or lead to the heart needing to do extra work to pump blood. Why do people get elevated cholesterol? Most people get it because of their diet, their lifestyle, or because they have some kind of medical condition. For most people, there is no symptom, but it may eventually lead to heart attack, peripheral artery disease, or stroke. You can still improve your cholesterol level by changing your diet and being active. Be a healthy weight for your height. A good guide is your waist measurement, which should be measured at the highest point. Ideally, it should be less than 94 centimeters or 37 inches in men and less than 80 centimeters or 32 inches in women. For Asian men, it should be less than 89 centimeters, that is 35 inches. And for Asian women, less than 80 centimeters or 31.5 inches. Choose unsaturated oils and spreads and use it in small amounts. Avoid saturated fats found in butter, ghee, lard, full-fat dairy foods, meat, and meat products. Replace these with fats high in monounsaturated fats found in olive oil and rapeseed oil, or fats high in polyunsaturated fats such as sunflower oil, corn oil, and soya oil. Also have foods that are rich in omega-3 fats such as fish or fish oil. Plant sterols found in fortified plant foods such as fortified spreads. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates are also good for you, and it is important for you to choose whole grain and high fiber versions. Make starchy foods like cereals, pasta, rice, chapatis, sweet potatoes, plantains, yams, and whole bread the basis of most of your meals. Try to include wholemeal or whole grain varieties wherever possible. These are rich in fiber, vitamin B, vitamin E, trace minerals, and other valuable plant chemicals than their refined equivalents. We recommend eating 3 portions every day. Oats can count as one of your whole grains and has been found to lower cholesterol. Porridge contains a form of soluble fiber called oat beta-glucans, which help reduce cholesterol levels. It works by forming a gel inside the intestines. This gel binds to cholesterol and bile in your gut, preventing them from being absorbed. As a result, your body has to break down cholesterol to produce bile, which is then released into the gut as part of the digestive process. Eat at least 5 or more portions every day. Choose a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. A portion of fruits and vegetable is a glass of fruit juice, a dessert bowl of salad, a medium-sized fruit, like fruit the size of the apple, the orange, the grapefruit, 2 tablespoons of raw, cooked, canned, or frozen vegetables. Choose a variety of different colored fruits and vegetables for a range of different antioxidants. And this is a pictorial idea of how a fruit portion looks like. 5 ways to get in more vegetables. Have a salad as a side dish with dinner. Cut carrots, peppers, celery for a crunchy afternoon snack. Choose dishes that come in a tomato or vegetable-based sauce rather than a creamy sauce. Stock up on tinned or frozen vegetables so you always have them handy. If your family doesn't like vegetables, set yourselves a challenge to try 1 new vegetables every week. Choose low-fat, dairy, and low-sugar options. Have 2 to 3 portions of low-fat dairy foods per day. Calcium-fortified soya, almond, rice products are also suitable alternatives. For proteins, beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins are a good source of protein. Oily fish is the best source of long-chain omega-3 fats, which can help lower triglycerides and improve circulation. Try to include 2 to 3 portions per week. White fish and seafood contain small amounts of these omega-3 fats. If you don't eat fish, you can supplement your diet with fish oil from the health food store or pharmacy. Look out for the magic ingredients, EPA, DHA, and try to ensure a supplement that provides at least 5 milligrams, 500 milligrams, or 1 gram per day of EPA and DHA combined. Nuts are also very good for you. Eat a handful of nuts each day in cooking or as part of a snack. These contain monounsaturated fats, as well as magnesium, vitamin E, fiber, potassium, all of which are beneficial for the heart. Avoid salted varieties. Include a variety of pulses, lentils, peas, and beans each day. Like oats, these contain a form of soluble fiber that help reduce the amount of cholesterol and bile that your body absorbs. Remember, convenience foods can be high in fat. Always check the label. A lot of fat is 20 grams or more per 100 grams of the product. A lot of saturated fat is 5 grams or more per 100 grams of the product. Also, watch out for salt in the product. A lot of salt is 1.5 grams or more per 100 grams of the product. And a little salt is 0.3 grams or less, so you should look out for little salt in the convenient foods you buy. Try to drink a lot of water throughout the day. About 6 to 8 cups per day is ideal. Also, try to build healthy habits. Try these simple swaps. Instead of crepes, chocolate, or sweets in your bag, add a fruit, unsalted nuts, or popcorn. Instead of extra salt on your food, add pepper or natural herbs and spices. Instead of a pint of beer, take half the pint. Instead of taking a lift, take the stairs. Instead of a leisure walk, take a brisk walk. Changing diet, losing weight, being more active, and stopping smoking should all contribute to lowering your blood cholesterol levels. For some people, it may be necessary to use medication to further reduce their cholesterol to acceptable limits. So try to stick to the prescription your doctor gives you. My references were bhf.org.uk and nhs.uk. Thank you very much for joining us.